Oh, no. Oh, God, please, no. Oh, poopy. So, yeah, I am very happy today because I just went here for the first time and I bought some stuff for me and my horse and also, yeah. I bought some stuff for me and my horse and look. I finally, okay, Fire Mist is going to be the first one ever to have her own outfit. Okay, I might share this with my halflinger, or I might come back here and buy some more stuff for my halflinger or something like that. Or I might, yeah, I don't know. But, so we're going to get out of this mall, and I actually have my own outfit to match hers, and yeah. I don't know the horses. Oh, also, I actually got invited to a club, and it's actually really cool. Rules, no drama, no being mean. If you do not come don't come to whatever tree, in 3 days you are gone. Oh, you are gone. Tell me if you can't be. Okay. So what we're supposed to do on Monday? Is there any, like, do you need to shower? Yeah, so they finally a group that I got invited to that don't do Skype calls. Hallelujah. Western group. Okay. Yellerfoot, what? Yay. So, there's the owner. This girl's on, this girl's on, this girl's on. I don't want to leave. I like this club. Also, the owner has the same hair as me, so I started to like it. I was like, oh my gosh, she has the same hair as me. And then she invited me to a group, and I was like, to a club, I was like, oh, yes. And I was like, wait, what? Huh? And then it was her, and I was like, oh my gosh. So, yay, I'm actually invited to a group. I mean, club. I mean, why do I keep on calling it a group? Oh my gosh. So I had to redo it, and in the club thing, I said, hey, what's up? I'm doing a video. Please say hi. And then someone said hi. I was like, yay. And I was having a thing glitch. And I was like, yeah. And then I told her I'm going to the mall, and she said, I'm going to Moreland just in case you need me or something like that. And I was like, okay, so this is pizza, and oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, so I was gonna buy it for Rose, but then yeah. So this might be Winter's little outfit, and also they didn't have a saddlebag or anything, so I might have to find something that matches it that's pastel-y. That doesn't even make any sense, but you know what? I don't care. I'm actually really happy. This might actually be Winter's bridal saddle pad. But Rose will also wear this too until I figure out something for her. I'm thinking of putting something like black on her, or maybe like something, or maybe I should, I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna get off my horse. We're gonna get off Fire. And well, Rose is your starter horse. You should do it one at a time. Go and go first. Yeah, some people are like, nope. Actually, we're gonna make my character wear her clothes first. I actually do like the clothes that I bought her. There's that, and then there's these pants. Oh my gosh. Okay. It will grow on me soon. It'll grow on me. I just need to get a different hat. Oh, if I had pastel hair, oh my gosh, I would be living it. Okay. I'm gonna have to get a different hat. I'm gonna have to put a different hat on. Sing me to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon. I don't know why I'm singing. I'm really bad at singing. I don't know. I mean, there's something not fitting right. Oh, it's my hair. Oh. I'll grow on me soon. I mean, it doesn't look good on me, but I mean, I'll grow on me soon. Or I can wear my purple dress right here. If I were like, no, don't wear that. Okay, we're gonna put this on here. Oh my god, it looks cute. Now we're gonna put this on her. Now we're gonna put this on her. And I'm going to find a style with that. Yeah, that's not going here. Oh my goodness. She looks so good. Okay, I just have to find a little saddle bag and something else. Ooh, this goes perfect with it. Ooh, this plastic girl. You look perfect. Okay, you might be on here just for a little while. Yeah, I might have to buy pastel hair. Because, I mean, it's just my hair that's not fitting with this. But other than that, oh my gosh. I've never had a horse that actually, I look so ugly. But I mean, okay. Yeah. I might have to buy a purple hair. But I already have, a purple freaking tail and a purple freaking saddlebag. Oh my god, I can't tell. Yeah, I used star coins because I didn't have enough, and now I have 335. Well, I'm gonna get star coins soon, so it doesn't really matter. But I might actually go, get something, might actually go dye my hair or something like that. Pastel or something like that. I don't know, because my hair is just not suiting this at all, or maybe I should just wear this dress. I mean, it kind of does look good, but oh my gosh, no. Yeah. Maybe I should just wear that. I don't know. I don't know. I might actually put this on and see how it looks. Yeah, that actually kind of matches it. I don't know. Comment down below if you like this dress or this armor. I like the armor because it matches it, but my face doesn't match me. I don't know. Ooh. Also, does this have any like swiftness on it? Pretty sure it doesn't. My swiftness is 11? What? Okay, this does have swiftness on it. I'm sorry. Also, I think this. My swiftness is 11. My swiftness has never been 11. It's like over the top. Also, when does this start? I ain't yo mama. 16 minutes, bro. I ain't sitting here for 16 minutes. But, yeah, y'all see me running around with this horse and have this on. But before I end the video, we're gonna go buy some pastel looking, like maybe a purple or a pink little saddlebag or something like that. So, we're gonna drop ourselves off at, I took my Morelands. I really like to say Morelands. At Fort Pinta before I end the video. Also, this horse has feathers, so that means I can't put this on her, but this might actually go well with winter. But yes, her little set. It makes absolutely no sense, but you know, who cares? I thought this was like the Valentine's Day stuff that had no swiftness on it no matter what, but it actually has swiftness on it. And my swiftness is 11, which means I'm faster than I was before. This is like probably like size horse. Because I mean, it's still level 3. I mean, like, you can't expect it to be like really fast. This horse is, oh, it's an IC, it's coming. It's icy. Is it gonna tolt? Is it gonna tolt? Can you tolt? Can you please tolt for me? Also, I like ices. I like it. I don't like that I'm like, oh my god, I have to have one now. I'm like, oh, they're so cute because they look so weird when they look so cute when they tolt. So weird. But yeah, I'm gonna get off real quick, and I'm gonna go to winter. Wait, are you hearing twerk on me? Did I do it on YouTube? I need to make sure. Yes, sir. And I also have to find a little thing to go in him, but he's going with this and this. Also, this should be his. Let's drop him to how he looks. I might put black on him. Oh, I just love when that happens. Or you put the leg wraps on, but they don't show up. That's just, gosh, I'm so proud of this game. So proud of it. Okay, there we go. He looks stylish. Rose, don't worry, we'll get you some gear. Some tack and stuff just for you. I'm so professional. Yeah, I will look for an outfit for winter in my closet over here, and we'll go look. So, hold on, but you know how this kind of looks really weird on me? Yeah, look what I found. I mean, it kind of does match with it. I don't know. Should I wear this, which looks weird on me? This? Or the dress I'm wearing right now, because the dress actually matches my hair, hallelujah. Because I don't want to be walking around and people being like, oh my god, she looks so weird. Oh, that's my dad. Scared me. So I need to find like something blue. I know something blue. I have something blue. But nothing that's cute that I haven't. Oh, beautiful. I just really want to forget what I did when I was a newbie. I just want to forget everything. But I literally can't. Like it's like girl. But I literally can't. I'm not making fun of anyone who talks like that. Oh, oops. I'm sorry, Rose. I'm sorry. Put it on. But, oh my god, why do I look... I don't have a necking on. Okay. We'll try. Okay, that kind of looks kind of good. If I just take this full lipping tack off and then I'll be all good. So, yeah. I mean, I do like it on him. That will officially be his. Until I can get Rose some tack. And I have nothing to get in my inventory, so I'm in my closet, so it's really not a coincidence. Come to the secret. Put that right there. That right there. That there. That right there. And this can be anyone's. That literally can be anyone's. Besides fires, because fires, you can't wear those. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment when I see more of this. Yeah, let's say that. Also, comment down below if as I gave you choices, this shirt, or the dress I'm wearing right now. Bye!